In this video, I will show you how to get weird blocks in Block Blast. To get started, go ahead and open Block Blast on your device. Now select the game mode that you want to play. So you can select from Adventure and Classic mode. So as you can see in here on the Classic mode, I've already have a progress. So I'll just go ahead and replay this by clicking on this gear icon and clicking on replay. And as you can see, I immediately received a weird block in Block Blast. And this is because I already have a high score on Block Blast. So if you already have a high score on Block Blast, you'll be able to receive weird blocks at the first part of getting blocks. So as you go on with the game, to be able to get more weird blocks, you'll need to actually place the blocks in ways for you to get the weird ones, such as placing it in a way that there would be limited space. So Block Blast will be forced to give you the weird types of blocks. And that is how you can simply get weird blocks on Block Blast. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.